Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Aussie Boy Crypto here, back for another video. Today's video I want to talk about Cardano and ADA, as well as giving my price prediction for the short and long term. So ADA is currently sitting at $2.09, seeing a 3% decrease in the last 24 hours, sitting in a market cap of around $67 billion right now. If we have a look at the all-time charts, we can see that ADA hit highs of nearly $3 back in just at the end of August. So a few weeks ago, ADA was trading at nearly $3. Since then, we've seen a little pullback to just over $2 right now, hitting lows of $2.02 in the last 24 hours. First of all, just a quick recap on what ADA is. So Cardano is a proof-of-stake blockchain, and ADA is its native token. So what is a blockchain? Well, Cardano is its own blockchain. If you're not sure what that means, just do a little research, but that's essentially what Cardano is. And I'm going to get into some quick news about ADA and why I think ADA could be bullish in the midterm and especially the long term. So the first story comes from the Cardano Summit. So Cardano Summit was this kind of representation from Charles Hoskinson, who revealed new partnerships from this summit. So first of all, it was held in Zurich. And I'm just going to get into something that happened. First of all, reforestation verification records are going to be stored on Cardano. Now, why is this important? Well, the actual, in forms of reforestation isn't that important in terms of a media industry, but the fact that Cardano is having use cases in the real world is what we really want to see from cryptos, because if a crypto has a use case but it isn't being applied in the real world, eventually its demand is going to diminish. So the fact that people are choosing to use Cardano's blockchain as a verification record is very, very important. Second of all, they're partnering up with esports giant Rival. So Karana has partnered up with leading esports and gaming platform Rival to develop agnostic NFT marketplaces, fan rewards, and more for Rival and their partners. So why is this good? Well, it means that Cardano is stepping into the NFT game. Obviously, NFTs are booming right now, and they're going to be very big in the future as well. So the fact that they're partnering up with a big platform to produce new things for the fans is going to be a really, really big in the future. And then if we go further into what Cardano is doing, they've actually partnered up with Chainlink as well. I've mentioned it in my Chainlink videos, but they're going to be developing with Chainlink as well. But let's go into our next story, and Amogo is going to be investing $100 million into Cardano to bolster DeFi adoption. So this is a recent announcement from Amogo that carries significant connotations for the future of DeFi. $100 million investment is said to be made into the DeFi system in a big way to promote development and growth. So Amogo is a big company with a lot of assets. So it has a lot of things going on, and the fact that they're choosing Cardano Foundation and the Cardano ecosystem to invest a lot of money in is really, really bullish news, not only short term, but for the long term as well. And the next story I want to call up is Cardano's new DJED. Now, this is a stablecoin that is going to be issued by the COTI system. So DJED is Cardano's answer to USD and USDC, and is a stablecoin, but which is one of the only ones backed by not by fiat or cryptocurrency, but through formally verified stablecoin. So since it's the only stablecoin whose properties are apparently proven by mathematical theorem, so it's yet to be revealed exactly how the stablecoin is going to work. But the fact they're issuing a stablecoin is really bullish news, as because people, the demand for stablecoin is only going to grow over time, and people are going to start to use alternatives from USDT and USDC because there's a lot of fear around their backing. And so the fact that Cardano is filling this demand will mean that more people will be using Cardano ecosystem and eventually buying Cardano for gas fees and increasing in price, etc., etc. And the last story I want to mention is Cardano-based DEX partners with China's leading blockchain. So Nervos is China, one of the biggest Chinese blockchains, and has struck a partnership with Sunday Labs. Now, this is a development firm behind Cardano-based exchange Sunday Swap. Now, this is really too important for what's going on for Cardano's price action, but the fact that developers on the Cardano blockchain are choosing to partner with Chinese technology is a really big sign, because it means that Cardano is continuing to grow in its pushing towards adoption through, just use case in the real world. And China is obviously a big place to do that. But let's talk about price. Cardano is at a market cap of $67 billion already. So assuming a 10x will happen within the next month is kind of just ridiculous. A 10x would put it at a market cap of $670 billion. That's nearly double what Ethereum has been. And obviously Ethereum has been around since early 2013, 2012. And it's been, been around for nearly a decade now, and it hasn't hit $670 billion market cap. So I think, hitting $20 might happen within the next 10 years. But I think for the short term, that is not a valid price prediction. But what is? Well, seeing that push up to $3, nearly saw Cardano at $100 billion market cap. And I think that's where Cardano really belongs. So that's around about a 33% increase from now. And I think Cardano can do that with the right backing, not only from investors, but from Bitcoin as well. If we see Cardano test $3 again, it will be within the next 2 to 3 months, depending on Bitcoin's price action. But I think Cardano has hit support at $2. And I imagine that resting in around about the $2.10 to $2.20 will remain for the foreseeable future. But that was just a quick video on Karana. If you guys want to check out any other cryptos, let me know down below. But I'll see you guys in the next one.